Welcome to Team Quiz. The first question, here it goes. Which metal is a liquid at ordinary temperatures? Mercury is the only metal that you find in liquid form at ordinary temperatures, that is normal temperature. Question number 2. Where were the first two atomic bombs dropped? The first two atomic bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, two cities of Japan. These bombs were dropped by United States of America and Japan surrenders to USA. Now the third question. What is a red letter day? It is an important day when some noteworthy event or celebration is taking place. Fourth question. What is trachea? Trachea is the windpipe that connects the throat with the lungs. It is the trachea through which air moves into the lungs and goes out of the lungs. So it takes an active part in respiration. Fifth question. What is the capital of Canada? It is Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Sixth question. Whose famous works are Meghadoota and Shakuntala? They were phenomenal works of a great writer, poet, composer, Kalidasa. Seventh question. Expand ILO. ILO is an organ of the United Nations. It has many subsidiary organs in the service of the world, and ILO is one of them. The expansion of ILO is International Labour Organization. It looks into the interests of the labor force all over the world, their rights and the social commitments that the countries have to do with their labor. All these are things of interest of ILO. Eighth question. What do we call animals that hunt for food at night? Such animals are called as nocturnal. They are nocturnal animals. For example, owl, tiger, they all roam about or fly about in the night hunting for food. They are adapted to the night. Ninth question. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Yen is the currency of Japan. 10th question. What is the scientific name of marsh gas? It is Methane, CH4. Marsh gas is called methane. Where is the Meenakshi temple? The Meenakshi temple is quite famous. You find it in Madurai. Madurai of the current Tamil Nadu state. It's very close to Cape Comorin. 12th question. What is the indicator in a spirit level? Masons especially use the spirit levels. It is an air bubble. An air bubble, and there's a mark, and they keep the spirit level on the floor which they are getting plastered, and they expect the spirit level to come and join the central line. That will tell them that the floor is at level. So to find out the level, whether level is vertical to the gravity of the earth, they use the spirit level, and the indicator is an air bubble. 13th question. Which UN body is concerned with children's welfare? It is UNICEF. It's famous all over the world. It is committed to serve the children all over the world. UNICEF, when we expand, it is UN, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. UNICEF, UNICEF. 14th question. What do you call the story of one's life? It is called biography. Biography is the story of one's life. 15th question. Why is yellow phosphorus kept in water? Yellow phosphorus catches fire very easily. Hence, in labs, yellow phosphorus is always kept in a bottle under water. 16th question. What is any cancer-causing agent or substance known as? A cancer-causing substance or agent is known as carcinogen. Carcinogen. 17th question. Express 0 in Roman figures. How do you express 0 in Roman language? The Romans did not have a symbol for 0. Even today, when you take up Roman numerals, you don't find a symbol for 0. They did not know the worth of it. So they had not invented it. 0 was invented by Indians. 18th question. What do you call a tree that sheds leaves annually? A tree that sheds its leaves annually is called as a deciduous tree. Deciduous. 19th question. Who was the commander-in-chief of Sri Rama's army in Ramayana? It was Sugriva. Sugriva. 20th question. How many chambers are there in the human heart? The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. 21st question. What is the chemical name for common salt? Common salt in chemistry is called sodium chloride, NaCl, sodium chloride. 22nd question. What kind of people meet at a jamboree? Scouts and guides. It is a large gathering of scouts and guides with certain specific objectives of getting trained up with a humanitarian concern for the people of the world, and it's a service-oriented organization. It's a huge organization. 23rd question. Which is the national animal of Canada? It is beaver. Beaver is the national animal of Canada. It's big. It's a semi-aquatic rodent. It's a nocturnal animal. It is sad. It is good at building dams, canals and lodges. It is semi-aquatic. And in order to prevent attack from any predator, it always builds dams, canals and lodges and makes that area as its shelter. Its enemies are mainly coyotes and wolves. 24th question. Complete the proverb. Out of the frying pan, dash, dash, dash. Out of the frying pan into the fire. When you are facing some danger or problem, you take up another decision and ultimately you find the decision was absolutely wrong. You have fallen into fire from the frying pan. The last question. Which is heavier? A ton of iron or a ton of cotton? It's simple. It is a riddle in a way. Both weigh the same, a ton each. Thank you.